Hello everyone, welcome back. This video is about tenses. We will discuss about simple present tense, present continuous tense, past tense, and past continuous tense. So let's start. Verbs. What are verbs? Verbs tell us about the time of action. For example, I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I will go to school tomorrow. Simple present tense. The verbs that tell us about actions that take place regularly or the statements which are always true are in simple present tense. For example, he swims in the pool. She drinks a glass of milk every day. The sun sets in the west. Present continuous tense. In this tense, we talk about an action that is still going on at the time of speaking. We use is, am, are, and add ing to the main verb to change it into its present continuous form. Let's see the examples. The students are studying in a classroom. My brother is driving a car. Lisa is playing games on a computer. Past tense. Verbs in the past tense tell us about actions that took place some time ago. Let's see the examples. I went to the market. He played tennis with his friends. My friend invited me at his house. Past continuous tense. We use this tense to talk about an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. We use was or were and add ing to the main verb to change it into its past continuous form. See the examples. I was studying last night when he came. Jack and Jill were sleeping when the alarm rang. My mom was driving the car. Just to recap, we have discussed simple present tense, present continuous tense, past tense, and past continuous tense. I hope you like my video. Stay connected. Until then, take care and goodbye.